Think about it. When was the last time you booked a service? Whether it was a haircut, a massage, or even a dinner reservation, the first thing you did was probably Google it, right? You wanted to know when you could book, how much it would cost, and maybe even what others thought about the service. This is exactly what your potential spa clients are doing. And if they can't find a website for your business, guess what happens? They move on. Simple as that. Hey, I am Altaf Rahman, a web expert with 17 plus years of experience. And today I am going to show you why your spa needs a website. Now, here's the reality. In the US and UK, spa clients expect a few key things before they book an appointment. First and foremost, they want to be able to book online. Anytime, anywhere. They want instant booking. Then, they are going to check reviews to see if others have had a good experience. They'll want to know exactly what services you offer and how much they cost. And don't forget, location matters too. They need to know where your spa is, and ideally, that includes a map. Here's a crazy stat for you. 70% of spa clients in the US Google a spa before booking. If you're not showing up with a professional website, you're already losing out on 7 out of 10 potential clients. That's a huge deal, right? Now, let's talk about what happens if you don't have a website. Missed bookings is one of the biggest issues. People don't always book during your working hours. A lot of people tend to browse for services in the evening or on weekends when you might not be available to answer calls. But with a website, your clients can book whenever they want, even in the middle of the night. Then there's the problem of not having a place to showcase your services or pricing. Without a website, how can you show potential clients what you offer? Maybe they want to know what facial treatments you have or how much your massage packages cost. Without a website, all this info is up in the air, and they might not want to waste time texting or calling you for details. On top of that, if they don't see a professional online presence, they'll lose trust in your business. In today's world, every business needs a website. If you do not have one, your spa looks like you are stuck in the past. Let's make it a bit more relatable. Imagine you're deciding between two spas. Spa A has 10,000 Instagram followers and posts regularly, but they have no website. If you want to book, you have to DM them, and you're not even sure what the prices are or what services they offer. Spa B, on the other hand, has 5,000 Instagram followers, but has a slick professional website with everything you need to know. You can read about their services, see real customer reviews, and easily book an appointment. Which one are you more likely to trust? Spa B, right? Even though they have fewer followers, they have a clear professional online presence that makes you feel more comfortable. A website is like your spa's online shop. It's always open and ready for people to check it out no matter the time. Just like a physical shop needs to look clean, organized and inviting, your website needs to do the same. It's a must-have for a successful spa business. If you want to stay competitive and grow, having a good website is no longer a choice. It's essential. It helps you get more clients, more bookings, and in the end, more income. So, if you're running a spa and you still don't have a professional website, you're missing out on clients who are ready to book but can't find you online. And hey, I get it. If you're just starting out, maybe dropping money on a premium design isn't the priority right now. That's why I've put together a free spa website template just for you. And I've made a full walkthrough video showing you exactly how to customize it step by step. Hit the link in the description, download the template and get your spa online today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.